Defining your article's focus. Hi, I'm Gabby from mythesiscoach.com, and today I want to talk to you about how to narrow down a journal article. So why is this important? Well, if you've looked into writing a journal article, you'll have seen that they're actually pretty short, often between 6,000 to 8,000 words, seldom more than that. And that means that you really have to limit down what this article can focus on. So how do you do that? Well, I am a big fan of the funnel shape. As you know, a funnel starts wide on top, gets narrower and narrower and narrower. So at the top of that funnel, you would have perhaps the general thing that you're interested in. So for example, student teamwork, and this is from an actual paper that I had published a couple of months ago. So you might be interested in student teamwork, but how could you ever write that up for a journal? It would have to be far too long. Where would it start? Where would it end? So like that upside down funnel, you need to start narrowing it down. So perhaps you're actually interested in student teamwork in professional programs. It starts to get a little bit more narrow there. We're not looking at student teamwork in everything, but we're looking at particularly in professional programs. But from there, you'd probably narrow it down even more. So perhaps you're interested in student teamwork in professional programs in higher education. So now you've defined like an actual disciplinary focus for here. You know you're looking at higher education. You know you're particularly interested in professional programs, and that's where you're situating your focus on student teamwork. But you can even narrow it down further. Student teamwork in professional programs in higher education, a comparative study of Spain and South Africa. I could perhaps even narrow it down further, but that's where I stopped for this paper, and that was about an 8,000 word paper. So what I want you to take away from this is you might have a general idea you're interested in, but if it's a journal article you're writing it up for, you need to make sure that that scope is really narrow, like the bottom of that funnel, and that you have clearly articulated it to yourself and to the reader. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more academic writing tips and tricks, and I will see you next time. Bye!